Manipur State Livelihood Mission MSRLM Langmeidong CD Block Kaksing District ki Makhada Waikong Gram Panchayat ki manungda laiba Village Level Federation Sing Thona Fabi VLF Maitai Lema VLF Yangdong Women VLF Ingminasi VLF Thona Laibi VLF Ima Thumkhong Lairembi VLF Lamyanbi VLF Amadi Sinthangambi VLF na Manipur State Livelihood Mission MSRLM Langmeidong CD Block Kaksing District ki Makhada laiba Panchayati Raj Institutions Community Based Organization PRI CBO Convergence samadi Waikong Gram Panchayat ki PRI member singa kutsamnaraga punna sinduna Nongmagi oiba Convergence Mela amang Ngashi thongjawda laiba ibudaw mayang ngamba laibungda Pangthokhre Convergence Mela adu hogdokpagi thoramda Langmeidong CD Block ki Block Development Officer Program Officer MGNREGS Mayangbam Ingocha Singna Chief Guest Waikong Gram Panchayat Administrative Committee ki former chairperson ki nominee KH Bozen na President Waikong Zilla Parishad ki hanagi member Chongtham Indrajit SDC Waikong Yengkhom Jivan Waikong Police Station ki OC Dr. Jotin Okram Waikong Gram Panchayat ki Panchayat Secretary Kumalambam Lemba MSRLM Langmeidong CD Block ki Block Mission Manager Ningthauzam Rajiv Amadi Atay VLF ki Mentor Singh amasung Waikong Gram Panchayat Administrative Committee gi hanagi member sing na guest of honor sing oiki Convergence Mela aduda government ki department taramathoina sarukiado na miyamda kanaba kaya piki
Atau mafamdagi Mela sida phangiba khudongchaba sidano hairagati aikoina karibuba tongan loisangsigdagi tongan chesi office mafam manadabani na tongan chatpada ngasina ba chatpa hayena ba chatpa hangchit ba chatpa matamsi aba bangbagi khudongchaba basilaibasin adu ngasigi Mela sidadi mapung oiba loisangsing ngasi mafam asida pulap phambabanina praja amana magi Kudung cara ba nataga mana khangdaba scheme amani matang do oiba che sang ba tanabani matang do oiba khangdaba sing adu mafam asida aigi matam chatpagi matam mangdada mafam sida laaga loina khangba yae